Welcome back to the Beaded Jewel, everybody. I'm Rochelle, and today we're going to go over the dollar bead bag here. It's from dollarbeadbag.com, and this is a great way to build up your stash of 3mm strands of beads, which, you know, I know I don't have a lot of, and also for your 4mm strands. And this month, for April, it is, of course, all check fire polished beads in 3 and 4 mils. And we're just going to go over the colors here that we got this month. And again, if you're new here, welcome. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And let's go over these really quickly here and see what we got. So the first one here, just beautiful colors. I love the palette this month, the blues with the dark purples and greens and everything. So we'll go do the 3mm strands first. And this one is a Crystal Half Blue Iris. Isn't that just gorgeous? I mean, look at that. The pops of the purple in there and the blue. Just a gorgeous, gorgeous strand. And again, this box is only $8 a month, including not including shipping and tax, I believe, of course. But it's just a great way to build up your fire polished beads, especially in the 3mm, because I know for me, let's see here, every time I go to make something, I never have enough 3mm beads. I'm looking for particular bracelets that I needed it for. Of course, I can't find it when I'm looking for it. Here it is, like this one right here. I want to make more of these. This is just so gorgeous. I love this. And here's where I need like the 3mm beads, so I can definitely use these for this. But this is just a gorgeous bracelet. You can see that there. And so let's go over the next color. The next color here is a jet black, or matte jet black. So this is definitely not matte. This is pretty. Because of the tiny facets in there, it really throws off a lot of sparkle. Just gorgeous. And then this one is Cobalt, or Cobalt AB. So I guess you get either one in your box. This is definitely not an AB. This is Cobalt. Still gorgeous. Look at that. As I spin it around, you can see all those facets reflecting that light. And then we have the beautiful blue iris. What's not to love about this one? I mean, it's just gorgeous. I love these. And let's go on to the 4mm. 4mm is, again, Crystal Half Blue Iris. Isn't that pretty? Look at that. Just so gorgeous. Put it next to the 3mm. They're just so pretty. I like how when it moves, it just, some type of sparkle just pops off those facets right there. The deep blues, the purples. And then this is blue lilac or rainbow blue iris. I'm going to say this is rainbow blue iris, because of all the different colors in there. At least I'm seeing some different colors. So pretty. And then here we have Sapphire. Now this is just definitely a clear faceted sapphire fire polish bead, 4mm. Just gorgeous. And then this is really pretty. This is a matte sapphire AB. I'm not usually into anything matte because I like the sparkles, but lately the combination of this matte with this AB, bits of AB popping out here, it's just kind of really, I'm really liking it. As I turn it, you can see it. That AB just popping out when that light hits it. So really pretty. So there you have it, the $1beadbag.com with your 3mm and 4mm check fire polish beads. And they're gorgeous. Nice way to build up your stash. And that is it for this little video. So go and get yourself some beads. It's not a sponsored video. None of my videos are, unless I mention it. I think I only had a couple that were, which was a long time ago. But this is not. I just really think it's a really great deal, and I'm definitely going to use them for my projects. So that's it. Can't think of anything else. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And again, as always, thanks for taking your time to watch the Beaded Jewel. And don't forget to check out our shop, the beadedjewelstore.etsy.com, where you'll see everything we make here with these beads. Okay, everybody, take care. Bye-bye.